What's up, YouTube? If you are here at this video, it is because you have been getting this motor speed error.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay
everyone?
calm.
What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody.
Probably scaring the crap out of you because maybe you just bought this Mavic Mini, having a great time, and then that motor speed error pops up and you don't know what it means, what to do. You look it up and you see the whole DJI community is on fire because everyone that owns a Mavic Mini is having the same problem. Maybe not everyone, hopefully not everyone, but a lot of people. You look it up, motor speed error, Mavic Mini, like I did, you see forum after forum, a couple YouTube videos here and there from 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And this happened to me. I got the motor speed error while I was flying the Mavic Mini at the beach, and it was actually starting to dip and fall out of the sky. The motors were failing, and I was seeing it on my screen, my monitor, my phone, and it was kind of scary to watch the camera, the gimbal, which is usually super smooth, actually dip and fall like the drone was gonna fall out of the sky. So I just wanted to do a quick little video. If you see my channel, it's a bunch of randomness. I am not a professional, so take everything I say with a grain of salt.
Or you can just 100% listen to me because it actually works.
But what I did worked for me, maybe it can work for you. So I'm gonna try and make this nice and short, straight to the point. Number one, the problem is in the case and how you store your drone. So after watching a lot of videos and taking a look at this handy little sticker in here that comes with the case, like I didn't throw it away, there is a proper way to store the Mavic Mini. It is with the props folded in, and I was actually usually folding them like this, kind of like in a V/X shape. And what was happening there is, if you saw in the case, that little foam piece is going to push up against the propellers here over, time. If you're traveling for an hour, 2 hours, or it's just sitting there on your desk in the case, these little guys are getting pushed, and it takes some force to push them fully all the way down, which I don't want to do. And eventually you do bend them out of shape, and that's why you get that motor speed error. So it's not a firmware thing. The proper way, which I'm struggling right now, is like that, just straight across. Same thing for the top ones, just straight across. That's the image we get in the little sticker inside the Fly More combo, and that's what I will be going for now on. Because after watching a bunch of YouTube videos and trying to figure it out, I waited like 2 weeks because I saw everyone was going through it when it happened to me, and I didn't really need to shoot anything with the drone. So I was pretty sad, but I waited, hoping that there'd be a fix from DJI, hopefully, but they haven't said anything officially. And so I started watching a lot of YouTube videos last night, saw that some people were having results with just refreshing the firmware, but that was kind of like, I wasn't too sure about that. It sounded like putting off the problem, and that's not really what I was trying to do. I was trying to fix it. If there's a problem, I'd like to fix it instead of just erase the notification. But after watching a couple of other videos, people were talking about how it makes sense that if you're not storing your drone properly, those props are going to get bent out of shape, and it could cause problems for you. That makes sense. It just makes sense. So after looking at how I store my drone, I figured that's probably what was happening to me. So I went ahead, put it up in flight, got the error earlier today, brought it back down, saw which one was buzzing. For me, it was the back left propeller, arm, whatever. I replaced those two propellers and then put it back up and brought it back down because I got the error again, and it was the right back propeller. So this guy. After replacing both of those, oh wow, I think I'm unfolding this completely wrong. There you go. So for me, it was these two, the back propellers that were getting pressed up against underneath, inside of the case. But after replacing both of those propellers, after being patient and taking it up once, troubleshooting the left one, up again, troubleshooting the right one, put it back up with a full battery, flew it around for 15-16 minutes, no problem, it was gone. Didn't refresh the firmware 1.50000, didn't downgrade to 1.4, none of that. I just did what the app was telling me to do, which was to replace the propeller, turn it off and on again, and try it again. If the issue persists, please contact DJI support. That's what the app says. So I would have done that, but the problem's gone. So the issue did not persist. That was my fix. I hope this was nice and short, easy video for you to watch and just see what worked for me. It may just be that some of you are getting it and you have absolutely nothing wrong with your propellers, or you've replaced your propellers and the issue still persists. In that case, I don't know. I'm not a pro. Like I said, this is my first drone tutorial video, so I would contact DJI support. The Mavic Mini is only a couple months old since the end of 2019. So I'm pretty sure that something like that would be under warranty. Contact DJI support and they'll help you out. If you bought DJI Refresh, Care Refresh, whatever, like I did, then you're covered. You're good. No worries there. But I don't need to request a refurbished drone if I can just fix the problem on my own. So yeah, I didn't replace all the propellers like some other YouTubers were saying, which you know, that can be the issue on both the top and the bottom props, but wasn't for me. The issue's gone for now. If it comes back, I guess I could make an update video about that and try troubleshooting some other way, but this really worked for me. It was quick, it was really easy. I did it all in 30 minutes, fixed both of them, and figured that was the problem. So I'll be storing the Mavic Mini a lot safer from now on, and the right way. I'll throw in the little picture diagram in there for those of you who just tossed it out because you were excited for your first drone like me. But yeah, if this helped you at all, please go ahead, leave a like and comment if this did work for you. If it didn't, also let me know. If it didn't work for me, I replaced the propellers, let me know. I'm interested to see how many people are actually experiencing this problem. Yeah, thanks to all the other YouTubers out there who posted about this and gave me an idea of what to do, but I just thought I'd make a quick and short video just giving you guys straight up, that's the fix. Be careful when storing your drone and replace the props and the issue should be gone. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.